In this video, we'll be discussing mode. Mode is the value which occurs most frequently in a set of observation and around which the other items of the set cluster densely. In other way, we can say that mode is the value which has greatest frequency. Now look at this example. Here values of x are given and frequencies are given. Now in this case, the highest frequency is 40. The maximum frequency is 40. So the value of x corresponding to this maximum frequency is going to be mode. So the value of x which is corresponding to this maximum frequency is mode. So mode is going to be 5. Now in case of continuous frequency distribution, we will be using interpolation formula. The formula is given as L plus F1 minus plus H times F1 minus F0 upon F1 minus F0 minus F2 minus F1, which can be further simplified as L plus H times F1 minus F0 upon 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2. Now class with maximum frequency is going to be our modal class. The class wherein we have maximum frequency is going to be modal class. Now the lower L is nothing but the lower limit of that modal class. F1 is frequency of modal class. F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the modal class. So the previous to the F1 is going to be F0. And F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the modal class. The next to the frequency of modal class is going to be F2, and H is magnitude of the modal class. Let's look at this example. Below is given the frequency distribution of weights of a group of 60 students of a class. We need to find the mode. Now these are the weights given and number of students are given, that is nothing but frequency. Now weights are ranging from 30 till 65. Now modal class is the class wherein we have maximum frequency. So in this case, this 18 is the maximum frequency, so the corresponding class is going to be modal class. So our modal class is nothing but 45 to 50. Now L is the lower limit of the modal class. Now since our modal class is 45 to 50, lower limit is 45, so L is 45. Next F1. F1 is the frequency of the modal class. The frequency of the modal class is 18, so F1 is 18. F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the modal class. So this is your preceding the modal class, so F0 is nothing but 12. Next F2. F2 is the frequency of the modal class succeeding the modal class. So this is the succeeding class, so F2 is nothing but 14. And H is magnitude, and magnitude of the modal class is 5. This is the formula for mode given, and let's just substitute the values. Now L is 45, that is lower limit. H is magnitude, is nothing but 5. F1 frequency of the modal class, it is 18. F0 frequency of the preceding class to the modal class, and that is 12 divided by 2 times F1, that is frequency of modal class, minus F0 frequency of the succeeding class to the modal class, and F2, that is frequency of the class succeeding the modal class, that is 14. Okay, now we just have to simplify this. So I am keeping this 45 as it is. So this is going to be 6. 36 minus 26. Now for the simplification, keeping 45 as it is, this is 30 upon 10. So what we have is 45 plus 3, that is nothing but 48. So our mole in this case is 48.